Our planet is full of beautiful places, but some of them are so dangerous that stepping there could mean instant death. Today, we're traveling through the most dangerous places on Earth, places so extreme that even locals avoid them. If you think you've seen danger, you haven't seen these. The Darvaza Gas Crater, Turkmenistan. In the middle of the Karakum Desert lies a burning pit that locals call the door to hell. It's a crater 230 feet wide, about 70 meters, filled with flames that have been burning for over 50 years. Soviet geologists accidentally collapsed the ground while drilling for gas in 1971. Methane began leaking, so they set it on fire, hoping it would burn out in a few days. It never stopped. Temperatures near the edge exceed 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, more than 530 degrees Celsius. Getting too close can knock you unconscious from the fumes, and one wrong step means falling straight into a burning abyss. North Sentinel Island, India. This tropical paradise hides one of the most hostile human groups on the planet, the Sentinelese tribe, isolated for over 50,000 years. Anyone approaching the island, even by boat, is met with arrows and spears. In 2018, a man who attempted to visit the island was killed within minutes. Helicopters have been attacked just for flying overhead. The Indian government declared the island completely off limits. Not because the tribe is in danger, but because you are. This is one of the few places on Earth where modern humans are simply not welcome. The Atacama Desert, Chile. The Atacama is the driest non-polar desert on Earth. Some areas haven't seen rain for over 400 years. In parts of the desert, scientists say the soil is so dry and sterile that it resembles Mars more than Earth. If your vehicle breaks down here, dehydration becomes deadly in just a few hours. The air is so thin and dry it can crack skin and lips instantly. No water, no shade. The gates of the Arctic, Alaska. Beautiful. Remote. Deadly. Temperatures in winter drop to minus 60 degrees Fahrenheit, or minus 51 Celsius. There are no roads, no cell service, and no rescue teams nearby. One mistake, a wrong trail, a broken boot, an unexpected storm, and you can freeze to death in under an hour. Even experienced adventurers call this place Earth's final exam. Mount Sinabung, Indonesia. Mount Sinabung was quiet for centuries, until it suddenly woke up in 2010. Since then, it has erupted dozens of times, blasting toxic ash clouds over 5 miles, 8 kilometers, into the sky. Villages have been buried, crops destroyed. People have minutes, sometimes seconds, to escape pyroclastic flows hotter than 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, or 540 degrees Celsius. This volcano doesn't sleep, it only waits. The Afar Triangle, Ethiopia. One of the most geologically active places on Earth. The ground literally tears apart as 3 tectonic plates slowly split the continent. Earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, poisonous gas vents, boiling lakes, all in the same region. Some parts look like an alien planet, and the land is so unstable that cracks can open beneath your feet without warning. Lake Natron, Tanzania. At first glance, Lake Natron looks calm, almost beautiful, but this lake is so hostile that it can turn animals into stone. The water contains extremely high levels of sodium carbonate, making it as alkaline as ammonia. Temperatures can reach 140 degrees Fahrenheit, about 60 Celsius. Any animal that isn't adapted to these conditions risks severe chemical burns. When birds or small animals die in the lake, the minerals preserve their bodies, leaving them eerily petrified along the shoreline. The water is so corrosive it can burn skin and eyes within minutes. A lake that doesn't just kill, it preserves the evidence. The Chernobyl exclusion zone, Ukraine. This place looks peaceful now. Forests, wildlife, abandoned buildings. But radiation never sleeps. After the nuclear disaster in 1986, the area became one of the most contaminated places on Earth. Some zones still emit radiation levels strong enough to damage cells within minutes. The most dangerous object ever discovered here is known as the elephant's foot, a mass of radioactive material so lethal that standing near it for just a few minutes can be fatal. Even today, stepping into the wrong building or touching the wrong surface can expose you to invisible, life-shortening radiation, a place where danger has no smell, no sound, and no warning. Our world is full of beauty, but hidden inside that beauty are places humans were never meant to survive. Tell me, which one of these dangerous locations would you never dare visit? And which one shocked you the most? Thanks for watching, my curious friend. See you in the next adventure.